ESI has used Madymo to simulate falls, motor vehicle crashes, interactions with various consumer products, and we use this to look at the injury risk that an individual would sustain as a result of any of these types of events. Sometimes it's comparative, looking at had they fallen in one way or another, what would the injury pattern be? Other times it's comparing belted versus unbelted, or we're trying to understand how an individual hurt themselves in a specific interaction with the product. For example, ESI conducted a simulation of a very complex motor vehicle crash. In this crash, a drunk driver ran a red light and was T-boned. This caused the driver's vehicle to then rotate 90 degrees and subsequently impact a telephone pole. Ironically, the entire crash was caught on dash cam footage by a police officer that was approaching the intersection. ESI conducted an accident reconstruction to determine the crash pulse of what happened to the drunk driver's vehicle, and that crash pulse was utilized as input for Madymo. We built the model of the vehicle within Madymo and then placed a driver and a passenger dummy within the vehicle. Once the simulation was completed, we looked at the difference between a front right passenger with and without the seatbelt. When the front right passenger was belted, no head contact occurred with the ceiling of the vehicle or the roof of the vehicle. When the dummy was unbelted, roof contact occurred and serious injury was predicted by Madymo. This is consistent with the injuries that were sustained by the unbelted passenger in the subject accident. This was a very complex crash that didn't have a counterpart in motor vehicle crash testing that's commonly conducted. So there was no basis to say what the types of injuries would have been had he been belted. Madymo was really our only solution other than trying to conduct a full-scale crash test, which would have been impossible in this type of case. For more information about Madymo and our biomechanical capabilities, please reach out to us on our website, www.engsys.com.